If you're a person that has to include screen dumps in your documentation, you may be aware of the fact that you can hit the print screen button on your keyboard. For instance, if I want to take a copy of the screen that I have in front of me with Word, I'll simply press the print screen key on my keyboard. Then when I click in my document and I click paste, it'll simply dump a copy of my screen into my document. If, for instance, though, I just want to take a copy of the screen that's on the front or on the top of a number of windows, then I'll use ALT PrintScreen. For example, if I'm talking about the font dialog box, I just want to take a copy of just this screen, so I'll press ALT PrintScreen. Then I'll click Cancel and I'll paste. And this will just put a copy of the front window in my document. But what many people don't realise is there's an excellent accessory that comes with Windows 7, Vista and Windows 8, and it's called the Snipping Tool, and this is what I use. If you click your Start button and you go to All Programs, you'll find that you have an Accessories folder, and in the Accessories folder is a little utility called the Snipping Tool, which is just brilliant for capturing a portion of your screen. If I click the Snipping Tool, I can now drag around what I want to take a copy of. And if I'm writing about the Paste button, I'll simply drag around the Paste button because I want to take a copy of this. I now have a copy of the Paste button and I can go to the Edit menu and say Copy. I can then go to my Word document and paste a copy of the Paste button, and I can then write about it. For example, if I bring the Snipping Tool back up, I might hit the button New to make a new snip. And I might be writing about the font group, so I'll drag around the font group and I'll take a copy of this by just going Edit Copy. I'll then click on my document and I'll paste. And I've pasted a copy of the font group. If I have a picture, I may want to save the picture as a JPEG or as its own independent graphic file. So I'll bring up my Snipping Tool again, and this time I'll go New again. And now I'm going to move the Snipping Tool and drag around my logo. If I drag around my logo or anything I can see on my screen, I can then go File and Save As. And I can save it as a JPEG file and simply call it Logo. And I may save it to my desktop. And when I go Save, I've saved a picture of my logo. If I happen to have a new document and I want to insert the logo, I can now just go Insert Picture and choose my logo from the desktop. So the Snipping Tool is great if you need to capture a part of the screen, whether it's a certain application or whether it's actually something on the internet. Consider using the Snipping Tool.